Hello, everyone, and welcome to Mod Factory or Merch on Demand. So, my name is Frenzo. I'm the founder of Mod Factory. So, all right, first, before we explain what Mod Factory is, let me just introduce our founders. So, that's me, Frenzo Cabasad. I stand as the Chief Strategy and Operations Officer. I previously co founded and scaled numerous e commerce businesses through 82191 Ventures, 200 million in yearly revenues. I was also a previous manager for a leading industrial printing machine brand, and I was a graduate trainee in a supply chain startup backed by the Ayala Corporation. My co founder, Oliver Colliera, is the plans to over 10 million in yearly revenue. And on top of that is a Shopify and paid ads expert. All right. So now that you've learned a little bit about us, let me start introducing what Merch on Demand is or what Mod Factory is. All right. So, madalas sa atin, no, a lot of us want to be successful businessmen and want to have our own clothing brand. We want to be like Bernie Liu of Pen Shop, Ben Shan of Bench, Jerry Lorenzo of Fear of God, and of course, Virgil Abloh of Off-White. We all want to be successful entrepreneurs, successful clothing brand owners. No? Pero there are three main problems na usually kinakaharap ng mga budding entrepreneurs or budding clothing brand founders. No? It's number one, lack of capital. So pag gagawa ka ng clothing brand, syempre, you'll probably start off with maybe a few designs, 3 to 5 designs. Tapos per design, gagawa ka ng on a minimum, 30 pieces, 50 pieces, papagawa mo sa print shop dyan. Tapos syempre, iba-ibang size yan, iba-ibang color. So yung 3 designs mo, it can become 100, 200 pieces. Hindi ka pa nagsisimula. Hindi mo pa natetest whether or not kakagat ba talaga or bibilhin ba talaga ng mga tao yung mga designs na ginawa nyo. So because of this, nagiging hindrance siya. This capital requirement to start hinders budding entrepreneurs. No? The second problem is lack of mentorship. So sabihin natin, you do have the capital, and you're willing to take the risk sa inventory, pero problema naman, you lack mentorship. So hindi mo alam kung ano ba talaga yung mga tamang strategies, mga tamang tactics, walang nagtuturo sa'yo kung ano ba yung mga correct steps, no? And because of this, nagkakaroon ka ng maraming mistakes, nagkakaproblema ka, marami kang missteps, kumbaga. Last and not but not least, no, of course, is lack of knowledge. So, syempre, dahil wala kang mentor, hindi mo alam kung ano yung paano mag-run ng Facebook ads, paano gumawa ng website, paano magawa ng Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop, etc., etc. So, because of these, ito yung mga main factors kung bakit hindi nakakapag-start ng clothing brand yung mga tao, no? So this is where we come in. These are the problems that we're trying to solve here on Merch on Demand. No? So we use print-on-demand technology to allow creators and entrepreneurs to launch their own clothing brand with no inventory and with very minimal financial risk. No? On top of that, it's a lot faster to start them. Okay, so let me go through the advantages of Merch on Demand, though, as compared to the traditional way of creating a clothing brand. So number one, there is no inventory needed. So that means Merch on Demand prints and produces your products with a minimum order quantity of as low as 1 piece lang. So what this means is, kung sabihin natin, meron kang 10 designs. Yung 10 designs na yun, pwede mo na siya i-launch as soon as today at makikita mo na kung may bibili ba or walang bibili. Matetest mo agad yung product mo and mas mabilis kang makaka-find ng success through that. No? Second point is focus on what matters to you. So focus on creating the best designs and marketing your products. Tapos kami, here at Merch on Demand, we will handle the boring stuff, no? Like operations, production, and logistics, para you can focus on really driving sales and making your brand grow. Okay. So third advantage of Merch on Demand, no, is you can launch with a wide array of products from day one pa lang. So isipin mo, sa kaka-launch pa lang ng website mo, may t-shirts ka na, may sweatshirts ka na, may tote bags ka na, and all the other products that we have. No, we have the widest array of products available ngayon in the market. And fourth is faster product testing. No, so since you don't need inventory to launch, you can quickly capitalize on trends and fads. So sa traditional method of creating your clothing brand, aside from the fact na may minimum order quantity na 30 to 50 pieces, ang tagal pa ng production time. Minsan, 2 to 3 weeks. Pa kami mga kakilala, 2 to 3 months bago nila makuha yung product nila. So with print on demand and Merch on Demand, as soon as magawa mo na yung design mo, ma-upload mo na sa website, makakapag-start ka na magbenta. So it can be as fast as 1 hour kung sobrang bilis mo talaga mag-edit, kung sobrang bilis mo mag-upload. So ang isang additional advantage dito is kuwari may bagong trend, may bagong fad, sobrang bilis mong pag-produce agad. Kumbaga kung kailan nag-viral, maka-produce ka agad ng designs, makabenta ka kaagad. Okay. Last but not least is syempre to reduce waste, no. So as entrepreneurs, hindi lang natin gusto mag-add value sa sarili natin, pero gusto rin natin mag-add value sa mundo, no. And yun yung kagandahan with Merch on Demand. Kasi aside from being able to make money, nasa-save nyo pa environment in the process, no. You're able to save the environment by reducing wasted stock that goes into landfills. And alam natin, kaka-problema yan ngayon sa mga landfills, sa clothing waste, etc. So these are the main advantages of Merch on Demand. So this print-on-demand model, actually hindi yan unique, hindi yan bago. So in different countries, especially in the West, sa Europe, sa America, ang dami ng taong kumikita ng sobrang daming pera when using different print-on-demand technologies. In fact, a lot of the brands na nakikita natin today were actually started with print-on-demand techniques, no? So companies like Gymshark, Anti-Social Social Club, kahit nga si Virgil Abloh with Off-White, or at least yung brand niya before Off-White, he actually started using print-on-demand techniques to kind of limit his risk and limit his costs. Another brand, no, is False Profits. So nag-start to sa amin, and within 90 days of using print-on-demand technology, they were already able to garner 400,000 pesos in revenue. So, ganun lang siya kabilis. That's how effective this strategy is as compared to the the traditional method of clothing, no? Of building a clothing brand. So, we've actually done this multiple times with multiple different brands. Ito, here's another brand who in 1 year has been able to generate 6 million pesos in revenue through the clothing brand, no? Yun. All right. So, you might be wondering to yourself, no? So, paano ka ba makaka-join sa print-on-demand? Paano nyo ba ma-access yung print-on-demand facility na to? So for us, we have 3 different options. So we have our standard membership. That's 10,000 pesos per year. So per year na po yan, no? And next is Mod Starter Pack, which is 50,000 per year also. And then a Masterclass, which is 60,000 payment fee. Sorry, yung sa Mod Starter Pack pala, it's 50,000 for the first year. And then for the succeeding years, standard membership na lang yung kailangan yung bayarin. So ano ba yung inclusions niya, no? For the standard membership, that includes the access to our POD facility and our entire product catalog. So we have around 30 to 50 products now, and we're adding more products every month. No? Next is onboarding and training. So aside from giving you access to the print-on-demand facility, tulungan ka rin namin and i-guide ka namin paano gamitin yung tools, paano gamitin yung resources that we offer our clients, no? Okay. So for the Mod Starter Pack naman, it includes everything in the standard membership fee except my additional 2 things. So that's e-commerce entrepreneurs. So you'll learn from us, the founders who have over hundreds and millions of pesos generated from e-commerce, no? And last but not least is AI tools for print on demand. This is included in the Mod Starter Pack. So we will teach you different tools, techniques, and strategies to increase the probability of being successful with your print on demand brand. So right now, we have a special offer for our first 100 clients, which is a 50% off on all our packages, no, from standard membership to Mod Starter Pack to Masterclass. So that's pretty much it. So we encourage you to try it out, to join. We also have a special promotion where you can order a sample even before purchasing a membership, no. So malay nyo, kayo na yung maging next Virgil Abloh, or kayo na yung maging next, kayo na yung maka-found ng next bench or pen shop, though. So yes, thank you so much and hope to work with you soon. Thank you.